Today we'll be talking a little bit about blogger identity crisis. What this comes down to is that there are actually 500 million blogs that exist in the internet today. This means that businesses look at blogs as an opportunity to actually promote their business, advertise many of their products, and actually teach the public exactly what their company is all about. It's a really great environment for these businesses to come in and to promote everything. So, what we'll look at is a story of John and Susan. John is very interested. He's a company owner. He wants to promote his products and he's been doing it through these blogs. The only issue is that John has been wanting to do it through different names other than his own. Susan, a publicist that's come to help John, teaches him that actually being honest and upfront with the public about who you are and where you're from will benefit the company in the long run. John is very conflicted about this. And it comes down to being honest and what I'm calling sneaky marketing. So this brings up three questions. How can a business really be sneaky? Why is this appealing? And where does honesty actually benefit this company? So being sneaky, that comes with just being dishonest about who we really are. Using these different names is really not a great thing. But you're able to market your products. You can actually call out another company's errors and just kind of be there to get them. So it's very easy. It's a very easy marketing technique. And the value of a testimonial that's kind of being portrayed here by John is really important. But what is really being honest? Is lying really that much easier? And would this be considered a lie in reality? And it is. It's a lie. And by looking at that, one can see that, first of all, it is really easy. You just have to think of a name, it'll bring in new customers, and you don't need to fight with other companies. Is it really lying? Well, you're being anonymous, you're telling truths, and you're only there to help publicity your products. Yet it is a lie. Being honest will actually build rapport, and that is what Susan was teaching. Rapport builds trust with the clients, confidence, and loyalty. When a customer's happy, they actually will bring up their testimonials, which is the most valuable tool for a company. So honest comments. In the end, it really is, and it pays off better to be honest because you'll get those customer testimonials to help out in the